Melissa here from Farmhouse Chic. Gonna bring you a really quick video today of, I know we see a lot of videos on SCENTSY products. Well, we have a representative, actually it's my soon-to-be daughter-in-law's mother. So she does a SCENTSY of the month club box. And so I have two of them to show here for you. One is actually my daughter-in-law's, and I'm going to show you what she got in her pack for Christmas because she hasn't picked it up from me yet. And the other one is my, she does little grab bags online where you pick numbers like 1 through 5 or 1 through 10, and then she, they're $20, and then she has a $20 monthly subscription. So I wanted to show you what that was, and I'll probably continue to do them each month. And if your representative doesn't do it, I can just leave me a message in the comments below. I can get you her information and she can send it right to your house. So this is the box that she puts it in every month. It's a nice little box, and each one, like Christmas time, it was a Christmas box. So the box smells amazing when you open it up. But this month it was laundry because she asked me what I liked. And I love the SCENTSY laundry because I have a lot of the wax stuff and all that already. So I was like, let me try the laundry, which I have tried it before in another box. But these are a couple of different products. So it's wrapped really nice. And all this was $20. The first thing I got was, and I love the clothesline smell. The clothesline smell has a really clean, like a bathroom smell or a laundry room smell. It's not one I want to put like in my kitchen or my living room in a wax burner, but if you like clean smells for like maybe your car or your bathroom, this is the smell. And it's called Clothesline. This will definitely be going in my car. The next piece are dryer discs. I've never used these before, and once again it's in the Clothesline smell. I have never used these, so I'm looking forward to putting these in the dryer. And it says you can reuse them multiple loads. I guess I'll let you know, I'll do a review on them, but I guess they dissolve or something, or they get looking wrinkled once they're done. But that's what these are. And then a little extra gift, she gave me this little sponge. And it's just a little SCENTSY sponge where when you're done with your wax, when your wax gets done with smelling and you need to change your wax, you put this down in it and it absorbs all your wax. And I'm sorry, I do not know the retail value of each piece. I guess next month I can kind of write that down before I do the video. But also we've got a SCENTSY fingernail file. It's really cute. It's got all kinds of little ice cream, lemons, blueberries, lime, watermelon. So I thought that was really cute. And then my favorite piece of all, I actually already have the laundry detergent because I got that from her last month in the same smell. Doesn't take a whole lot and it really works. This is called Washer Whiffers. I guess I'm saying that correctly. And you just put this in your washing machine and it kind of boosts it. It's just little crystals. Oh, they smell amazing. And you just put it in your wash machine to make your clothes smell good. So that is, oh, this I think, I want to say this retails for $13 or $14 by itself. So I had that piece, this piece, the laundry dryer things, this piece, and the fingernail file. And I received all of this for $20 in my SCENTSY of the month box. Alright, and just to show you a little extra, just because she hadn't picked it up yet, and I thought I would do it. So Crystal, if you're watching, here's what's in your Christmas bag. She sent it in a really nice little plaid Christmas bag. And first of all, these room sprayers are absolutely awesome. They smell so good. You can spray them in your car, in your bathroom, anywhere. And they just smell, they make the house smell good, and they last. They have a really good throw. And this one is called Silver Bells. And then she got some Snow Place Like Home. wax melts. I'm trying to hide the girl's name because I'll let her, you can contact her through her email. And then these I keep in my car. Not the biggest fan of these. I got one last time. I didn't feel like the smell lasted long enough in this particular travel tin, but the other stuff works great. But this was not, I wasn't a real good fan of this. And this scent is Sun-Kissed Citrus. And I mean, I'm not saying I'm not a fan of the smell. I'm not a fan of the tins. I don't feel like they last as long as maybe the room spray. And then again, she got a cranberry garland hanger for maybe like your car. So all of this was a Christmas box for $20, and it came in a packaging like this right here. And like I said, she just does that every now and then on special occasions, and definitely worth $20. So if you're interested, I'll try to leave her email in the description bar below. You can email her and let her know if you want to join her SCENTSY club. And hope you enjoyed this quick video. I am not sponsored in no ways. I've just thought that this would be a good video to do to show you, because I know I like these stuff and I never know what smells I like or what scents are good or if the laundry detergent is good. So I'm just doing a quick review. So anyway, thanks so much for watching, and until next time.